The Accounts Receivable module provides the functionality for an organization to properly track and manage customer transactions, customer invoicing, payments, and settlements. For now, let's navigate to the Customer Master and create a new customer. Click on the navigation pane, Accounts Receivable Customer, All Customers. Here you'll see a list of all the currently existing customers in the legal entity. We'll click on New and fill out the required fields. And you can see now that we have a new customer. The one-time customer field is typically used in a retail or e-commerce environment where you may have a guest checkout. A one-time customer is set up as a template and then used during the sales order creation to default the values of the sales order. The invoice and delivery hold field shows a number of values, but only 3 are valid, no invoice at all. The credit limit field is the maximum amount of credit a customer is allowed. Here we set the credit limit to $10,000. Under the discount, we're going to set the multi-line discount and a total discount. Under payment defaults, we select the term of payments and a method of payment. We can also specify a cash discount. And moving on down, under invoice delivery, we'll select the delivery term, and we'll also select the mode of delivery. And that does it for our customer. We have selected a different customer here and wanted to demonstrate how we can see the current balance of the customer and check it against the credit limit. So we'll go to Customer, Balance, Balance, and this gives us a breakdown of the complete financials for this current customer. Let's talk about sales orders. Let's navigate to sales orders. We go to the modules, accounts receivable, orders, all sales orders, and we see all the sales orders for this legal entity here. We'll click on New and we'll create a new sales order. We'll quickly add an item. We'll save the sales order. We'll take a quick look at the item details. Specifically, we can see that the delivery information has been filled in based on the customer's value. Also, requested ship date and requested receipt date have been pre-filled for us. And if we go to the header of the sales order, we can see an additional number of fields. The different order types in the accounts receivable modules are journal, subscription, sales order, return order, and item requirements. A journal is a draft and has no impact on any stock quantities, does not generate item transactions, and is not included in master scheduling. A subscription is used for recurring orders, but note that you cannot use a subscription type order if you're using the warehouse module. A sales order is the official order from the customer. A return order type is a custom return which will automatically get an RMA number by the system, and item requirements are created automatically when an item sale is made through the project module. Let's go ahead and post the packing slip for the sales order. Everything looks good. We have picked and packed the item, we've shipped it, and we are ready to invoice the customer. Let's invoice the order and print to screen. Let's take a quick look at the Accounts Receivable workspace. We'll expand the navigation pane, go to Modules, Accounts Receivable, expand Workspaces, and go to the Customer Payments workspace. This dashboard and workspace shows us a number of different pieces of information. We can quickly see invoices past due for the currently selected legal entity or for many legal entities. This is a very convenient feature for quick and easy reporting. We can also see payments not settled. We can find transactions. Or we can quickly go to record a customer payment, check on customer invoices past due, and take a look at payment journals that have not been posted yet. Let's go ahead and create a customer payment journal. Go to Modules, Accounts Receivable, Payments, Customer Payment Journal. In here we'll click New. We'll select the customer payment journal. We'll save and then we'll click on Lines. In here we can create a payment proposal. We'll remove records that we do not want, and we can click on Create Payments. the line's been added to our payment journal. You'll notice that the Settle Transactions link is now active. We click on Settle Transactions. We can mark the payment against the invoice line. We get this error when the line's already been marked by somebody else. And now all we need to do is post the journal.